Unboxing and review of Endoking cordless endomotor. Contest brochure from dentalkart.com. This is the main endomotor box. I have ordered flex files, rotary files from Super Endo brand, came along with, but if you buy endomotor that will be different. Like this, the main packaging of the endomotor box. Package contains user manual, endomotor charger and stand, two-piece LED light attachment for illumination. This is handpiece and wrench for that proper attachment. 1 ampere charger. This is the main endomotor unit. Comes with packaging like this to protect from dust. This is how it power on. You can set for RPM, torque, this is how it shall run. I will show you by attaching a file, a rotary file. So this was the review and unboxing of endomotor. Thanks.